Ladies and gentlemen, you ever look at a van and immediately feel like chopping wood, growing a beard, and living off jerky and solar panels? Because this 1971 Ford Econoline Sportsmobile 4x4 is less camper van and more rolling wilderness base camp. I think even my buddy Dave, who once got lost in his own backyard, could survive the apocalypse in this thing, or at least make it to Burning Man and back. Before we dig into its winch-powered glory, smash that subscribe button like it owes you gas money. Now, this beast started as a humble '71 Ford Econoline, but somewhere along the line it hit the gym, ate some steel, and became a full-blown four-wheel drive road warrior. It's got a 306 cubic inch 5.0L Ford V8 crate engine under the hood, hooked up to an AOD 4-speed automatic and a Dana 20 twin-stick transfer case. Power hits all four corners, thanks to worn locking hubs and upgraded drive shafts. I believe it now runs stronger than a caffeinated moose. Finished in green and white with a pop-up Sportsmobile roof, it also sports a glass sunroof, 160-watt solar panel, and a worn 12,000-pound winch that looks like it could pull Timmy's RV out of a sinkhole. The wheels? 17-inch steel beasts wearing 255/75 BF Goodrich mud terrains. And if you somehow manage to get stuck, there's a high-lift jack and full-size spare on the back. What I like the most? That full off-road swagger paired with the gentle touch of an outdoor shower. Because even adventurers need to rinse off trail mix. Inside, you've got floral green cloth seats, bamboo flooring, a bench seat that folds flat, and a loft bed for when you're too tired from dodging mountain goats. There's an isotherm fridge, sink, 20-gallon 75-liter fresh water tank, inverter, and even a portable Bluetooth speaker. This thing's better stocked than Greg's Man Cave, and Greg's Man Cave has a popcorn machine. The front's got odometer gauges, a 140 miles per hour, ambitious I know, and a busted horn ring. Perfect excuse to yell at traffic. The rear lights are LED, the brakes are Wilwood discs all around, and the suspension has been lifted and air-sprung like it's preparing for liftoff. Mileage shows 4,000, but real talk? It's a mystery older than the JFK files. And let's not forget price. This monster sold on BAT for a cool sum. But if we're judging by gear alone, it's worth every dollar of its estimated $60,000, 56,000 euros value. The official listing? Links under the video. If you'd like to help us keep wheels turning and fund my next attempt to cook chili on a van's radiator, become a channel sponsor for just $1. That's less than a gas station burrito and much less likely to haunt you at midnight.